Hello and welcome to both the use of aliases as far as an alternative column name along with an alternative table name. In this course in IT 117 we're not going to worry so much about alternative table names. That will be much more significant in the advanced course. In this course we're simply going to show you I'm simply going to show you how to use aliases for columns. So if we go to Microsoft Access and we open up a new query, remember we close our show table dialog box. If this property sheet pops up, you can get rid of it. You don't need it for any reason. Go up to the ribbon, click on SQL. And all we're going to do here is show you how this is done. It's really simple. So for instance, if I'm doing, customer name, comma, customer city, comma, customer state, from customer T, when I run that, I'm going to get customer name, customer city, customer state. Not exactly what I want to see. So I'm going to go back into SQL, and the way you change that is you use the as keyword. Simply say as. In this case, you can just say name. And again, I suggest avoid using words like name, because in a lot of database management systems they're reserved words, but in this example that's fine. As long as you use the word as, city, and then at the end we use as state. So this way, instead of seeing customer in front of everything, we'll just see name, city, and state. Just remember that as you're aliasing this, if you reference these columns in a where clause, you have to use the aliased, the named alias. Right? So if I wanted to use a where clause for customer name or customer state, I would have to say where state equals HI, something along those lines. All right. So again, it's nothing crazy. It's used quite often. It's very easy to use, and that is the end of the video lecture. Again, just close out of everything and close and no. And then just make sure everything's tidy for the next time that you open up the database. And that is the end of the video lecture on the use of aliases.